In 1891, a talented physicist James Chadwick was born. He is now known for his discovery of neutrons in 1932 when he was 41 years old. Let's see how he did his experiment.
Hey, Rutherford, I think there's something you need to see.
Yes, Chadwick.
It appears that I've stumbled upon an unknown type of radiation, never before seen.
Did you modify any parts of the beryllium bombardment experiment? Bombarding too little of beryllium?
No, sir. I've been repeating the experiments with the same steps over and over again for a while now.
I see. Tell me the steps that you did.
First, I bombarded beryllium with alpha particles from natural decay of polonium. Then, I placed the polonium in a vacuum-sealed box which radiated the alpha particles through beryllium, forcing all of the radiation to accelerate out.
I see. How about we measure its mass then?
Sure.
Chadwick and Rutherford began measuring the mass of this unknown radiation by applying the law of conservation of momentum and conservation of energy.
Chadwick, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
The radiation accelerating out as we placed the polonium in a vacuum-sealed box which radiated the alpha particles through the beryllium? Yes. The fact that it has no electrons or protons, but weighs as much as a proton? Yes.
The proton has no charge, it seems.
Yes. This is because after I measured its mass, I also discovered that it was made of two down quarks with a charge of -1/3, while the one up quark has a charge of +2/3, making it neutral and without charge. And for last, I measured the range of the protons and measured how the new radiation impacted the atom of various gases. And measurements of the recoil energy showed the mass of the radiation particles being similar to the mass of the proton and couldn't consist of gamma rays.
Wow, fascinating. Amazing job. Well done, Chadwick.
You are most welcome, Rutherford.
It seems like we have discovered a new form of radiation. What do you think we call it?
Well, it is technically neutral since it doesn't have any proton or electron charges. How about neutrons?
Neutrons?
Yes, taken from the word neutral, which means normal.
I like that name actually.
Me too.
In February of 1932, after experimenting for about 2 weeks, Chadwick published a paper titled The Possible Existence of a Neutron.
Now let the money flow in. This book gonna cook like crazy.
May I get some of the money?
Nah, you're too rich, bro.